Here is today's question. Tamsin has an amount of money saved. The amount is increased by 25%. The new amount is then decreased by 25%. Does Tamsin have the same amount of money she started with? Explain your answer. Best of luck with this one. Okay, your time is up, so let's see if we can have a look and find out an answer. So what I'm going to try and do to explain my answer is I'm going to actually put in a number that I think could represent Tamsin's amount of money, and I'm going to carry out the calculations and see what happens. So I'm just going to pluck a number out of thin air. I'm going to go with 200. So let's say she's got £200 saved up. Could pick any number, but I'm going to start with that one. Okay, she's got £200 saved up. That is her 100% value when we start. Okay. I want to know what 25% of that value is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my bubble method, and I'm going to divide by 10 to find out what 10% is. So 200 divided by 10 is 20. So 10% is 20. But it's 25 that I need to find out. So I've only got 10%. I can't get 25 just using 10%. I need to find out 5% as well. And so I'm going to go down. I'm going to divide by 2. So that's going to give me a 5% value. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So to find 20%, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 lots of 10%. So that's 20 and 20. And I'm going to add a 5%, that's 10. So my 25% value is 50. So if her money gets increased from 200, so we start with 200. If it gets increased, so plus 25%, my new number is 200 plus the 50. It's 250. Right, so we're part way through. We are at this part of the problem. This is our new amount, 250. If it's now decreased by 25%, we want to know what happens. So I'm going to do another bubble sort here. I'm going to go £250 is my new 100% value. And I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to do divide by 10 to get my 10% value. So 250 divided by 10 is 25. And then I'm going to find the 5% value by dividing by 2. That's going to be my 5% value. And that is going to be £12.50. Right, okay. So now I need to add 2 lots of 10% and 1 lot of 5%, sorry, to find out what 25% is. So that's 25, 25, 2 lots of 10%, and it's a £12.50. Okay, I'm then going to put some placeholders in here. Okay, we're going to add these together. So we've got 0, 0, 0, which is 0, 0, 0 and 5 is 5, 5, 5 and 2 is 12, carry the 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2 is 6. So our new 25% value is £60.50. So we've got to take that away from our new total, so £20.50, and I think some of you might have already spotted that this is going to be different. If I take away 62.50, put my placeholders in, 0 take away 0 is 0, 0 take away 5 I can't do, so I'm going to need to exchange, can't exchange there, I need to do it here. So that becomes a 4, carry the 1 across, that becomes a 9. So it's 10 take away 5 is 5. And we have 9 take away 2 is 7. 4 take away 6 we cannot do, so we're going to do exchange again. 14 take away 6 is 8. 1 take away nothing is 1. So my final total, once I've taken away the 25% from my new value, is I'm left with £150. 87.50, £187.50. So no, Tamsin doesn't have the same money she started with.